Namaste, welcome. Today's session is dedicated to purifying and balancing your Muladhara, or root chakra. As the foundation of our being, it connects us to the earth, providing security and self-confidence. Find a quiet place to sit. Keep your spine straight, but let your body relax without tension. Place your hands in Jayan Mudra or comfortably in your lap. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, long breath in. Then slowly exhale. Get ready to rediscover yourself. Focus on your natural breathing. As you inhale, feel the fresh energy of the universe entering your body. As you exhale, sense all the worries and heaviness of the day leaving your body. Now, with each breath, repeat silently to yourself. As inhale, feeling as I am steady like a mountain, I am steady like a mountain. As I exhale, feeling completely safe and grounded. Feel your body becoming heavier, as if you're sinking deeper into the ground and the earth is supporting you. Now, bring your full attention to the base of your spine, the very bottom. Imagine a deep red glowing orb of light there. This is a sphere of energy. With each inhale, the red color becomes deeper and more radiant. Visualize roots emerging from this chakra, extending deep into the ground, connecting you to the earth's energy. Feel a gentle warmth starting from your lower body and spreading throughout your entire being. Repeat silently with me. I am safe and the universe protects me every moment. I have everything I need to live a happy life. I feel a deep connection with my body and this earth. I am safe wherever I am. I am at home wherever I am. I am completely healthy and energetic, both physically and mentally. Now we will chant the seed mantra for the root chakra. Lam. The sound of the mantra will create vibrations at the chakra's location. Take a deep breath in. Lam. Repeat it 7 times. This vibration is opening your blocked energy centers. Fear is leaving, and trust is entering. Now, for the next few minutes, immerse yourself in complete silence. If there's soft music or a 396 Hz frequency playing in the background, simply feel it. If any thoughts arise, let them flow away like water. Just remain seated in this circle of red light. You are a mountain, calm, powerful, and immovable. Now, as your root chakra awakens, let these words become part of your being. Don't just hear them as words. Accept them as your truth. Now, with this faith, sink into complete silence for the next few minutes. Now, slowly bring your attention back to your physical body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Rub your hands together until they feel warm. Place these warm palms over your eyes. Gradually bring your awareness back to this room, back to your body. Feel your feet touching the ground. You are completely safe and grounded. Silently say to yourself, I carry this peace and stability with me throughout the day. Now say these final words. I express gratitude to myself for taking this time today. I express gratitude to the infinite energy of the universe. Take a long, deep breath in, and with a smile, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this sacred space today. If you felt a shift in your energy or a sense of grounding, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more guided journeys through the chakras. Until next time, stay rooted and stay blessed. Namaste.